So I want to show us how to write natural numbers, positive numbers, no decimals, no fractions, natural numbers, as a sum only using Fibonacci numbers. And this works for any natural number. There's a theorem that tells us that. So in this first example, I have 152, and the sum has already been started. So we have to fill in the blank, the missing numbers, only using our Fibonacci sequence. And there's the beginning of our Fibonacci sequence. So I started with 152. And I've already used up some of those, so I'm going to see what I have left over. So I'm going to subtract these. 152 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 minus 8 gives me 136. So what I'm missing here is 136. I can write 136 using these Fibonacci numbers. I'm going to get as close as I can to 136. I can't go bigger because then I can't be able to add them. So I'm going to start with 89. So I've used up 89. That means I'm left with 47. As close as I can get to 47 is 34. And that's going to leave me with 13, which is a Fibonacci number. So I'm just going to leave it as 13. So there's using only Fibonacci numbers getting to 152 if I add them up. This isn't the only way to do it, but it's probably the quickest way to do it. There are other correct answers. I'm going to do the same thing with 87. This time I didn't give us any of the sums, so we've got to start at the beginning. None of the sums are given. I'm going to try to get as close to 87 as I can. I find it easiest if I get rid of the big pieces first. So the closest I can get is 55. If I use 89, I can't add anything to get 87. It's got to be smaller in order to make sums. That means that I'm missing 87 minus 55. 32. Again, the closest I can get to 32 is 21. That leaves me with 11. I can write 11 as 8 plus 3. So there's 87 written as a sum of Fibonacci numbers.